You look pretty.
Huh?
We did that once, and everybody stopped and pulled out their camera to get a picture of me in the mud before they came and helped us up.
That's right. That's what we do. We'll get my picture. Hey, I've had plenty of pictures taken of me, so.
There's just no way other to do this than to get into it.
Yeah.
Picture.
All right, ready? 1, 2, 3. Holy shit.
Oh, my foot's under your tire.
Oh shit, you okay, Bob? You still under it? All right. Huh. That was fun. All right. Feet are stuck in the freaking mud. Come on, Taylor.
Got it?
Oh, almost.
Okay, easy with the throttle, big boy. I'm right behind you. Okay, hang. We're still here.
There we go. That was fun. Thank you, guys. Oh, yeah, got a picture of it.
Hey, better yet.
All right.
And there's just the scene of the crime.
Well, at least it was soft. They didn't squeak anything falling in that.
Yeah.
Oh, I'm all wet and I stink.
Your point being?
I soaked before and I was just wet.
Yeah.